I studied quantum physics for years to understand how consciousness, emotions, and the mind shape our reality. And one of the most powerful tools I've discovered is meditation. I know many people don't feel as happy, energized, or calm as they would like. They wake up tired, go through the day stressed, and often carry a constant feeling of restlessness inside. That's why, in this video, I want to share with you one of the fastest ways and most effective meditation techniques that you can practice every day within 2 minutes to get into a calm and relaxed state throughout the day. This meditation will help you calm your mind, release stress from your body, and activate powerful emotions like gratitude and love. So let's not waste any time and dive right into it. Meditation isn't about escaping life. It's about tuning your whole system back into balance. That is very important. When your mind and your body move out of sync, you feel it as stress, anxiety, or even an illness. You get sick, literally. When they align again and come together, you feel calm, clear, and alive. So today we'll use 2 simple but powerful tools to bring you back into alignment. Number 1, breath work, and then we're going to do a hard lock-in. Breath work relaxes your body and signals to your nervous system that you're safe. A hard lock-in connects you to elevated emotions like love and gratitude. We'll see in a second why that is important. And together, they synchronize your heart and brain into a state that science calls coherence. Now, here's what most people don't know. Your heart isn't just a pump. It has its own complex neural network, a mini brain with over 40,000 neurons, and it communicates constantly with your head brain. And here's the surprising part. There are many more nerve pathways going from the heart to the brain than the other way around. That means your heart sends far more information upwards than your brain sends downwards. Fascinating, right? So when your heart is calm and coherent, it tells the brain, everything's okay, we're safe. And your brain responds by releasing chemicals that heal and regulate, lowering cortisol, raising oxytocin, balancing your inner state. But when your heart sends signals of fear, sadness, or frustration, the brain simply mirrors that message exactly. It doesn't judge whether it's good or bad. It only tries to keep your entire system consistent within what it's receiving. If the heart broadcasts stress, the brain reorganizes the body into stress. If the heart broadcasts peace, the brain organizes the body into peace. Magical. That's the feedback loop between heart and brain and the body. Your heart sends electrical and chemical signals to the brain. The brain then translates those signals into hormones and instructions, and the body feels those changes as emotions, and then sends that emotion right back to the brain, confirming the same story. That's why we often feel stuck in a cycle of anxiety, fatigue, or grief, because the body and the brain are simply keeping each other in tune with an outdated emotional signal. Now, the beautiful thing is, this system can also work in your favor. When you consciously choose elevated emotions like gratitude or love, you send an entirely new broadcast from the heart. Your brain receives the higher signal and changes your chemistry, and your body begins to feel safe, energized, and whole again. Now, modern neuroscience and quantum physics are showing that the brain itself is far more of a receiver than a storage device. Memories, intuition, even consciousness don't appear to live inside the brain. They exist as a quantum state within the quantum field around you, a field of energy and information that connects everything in existence. So, your brain simply tunes into that field like an antenna and interprets what it receives. It then distributes those signals through your nervous system so your body can stay synchronized with the broadcast you're sending and receiving. So, when you change the signal through meditation, emotion, or breath, you literally change the information your body is following. That's how healing begins. Before we continue, I'd love to gently remind you to subscribe so you can join me for future sessions and deepen your practice step by step. Now, let's put this all into practice, shall we? We'll start with breath work to quiet down the mind and settle the body. Then we'll move into a hard lock-in while you'll connect to the feeling that uplifts you. Together, they'll bring you into coherence, where your heart, your brain, and your body act as one. Now, sit comfortably, close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel your chest and your belly expanding. Hold gently for a moment. And now, exhale slowly through your mouth, a little longer than you inhaled. Great. And again, inhale calm. Hold. And exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, peace. Hold. And exhale, tension. Feel your body relax. Feel your energy settle. Now, place one hand over your heart. Breathe as if you're inhaling and exhaling directly through that space in your chest. With every breath, bring your awareness deeper into your heart. Feel the rhythm. Steady, peaceful, alive, inspired, loving. Now, think of something or someone you truly appreciate. Your wife, your husband, your pets, someone you love. And let gratitude rise inside of you. Let it fill your chest, expand beyond your body, and radiate into the space around you. Right now, your heart is leading, your brain is listening, and your body is aligning. Take one last deep breath. Hold it. And exhale through your mouth. Notice the stillness within you. Notice how your body feels calm, balanced, connected, loving. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this feeling throughout your day. Now, how was that? That was a short introduction to the power of breath and heart meditation. If you'd like to go deeper and understand why your emotions are so powerful and how they shape reality itself, then I have the perfect video as a next step for you. It's called The Hidden Connection Between Emotions and Quantum Reality. It will give you the deep scientific understanding behind the practice and will make meditation like this even more effective for you. Once you're finished here, I'd like to invite you to watch exactly that video right now and see you next time.